money.
Crazy money time!
And whatever we can keep, or whatever we catch, we can keep. So, subscribe if you want to see more. Wait, actually.
Are you guys ready for crazy money time? Who's ready?
Me?
Crazy money, 3, 2, 1.
I feel like it's Christmas.
Ah,
Hey, you can't touch the floor.
it's raining money.
You guys can't let it touch the floor.
Okay, next time we'll get more.
Okay, so wait.
I got 3.
Let me count. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 3.
4.
I got 3. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. Before we end the
You
video,
gotta talk to me.
hit that like and subscribe so we can earn more money.